Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can connect crypto.com DeFi Wallet to your crypto.com app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app store for the matter. You can access your Play Store as well. Now from over here you can type in DeFi Wallet crypto.com because you have to specifically search for that. Now it will look slightly different. You can see this is crypto.com, your buy Bitcoin, and this is the other wallet. Tap on get, wait till it gets downloaded. Now simply have to install this app in your phone first of all, then only you will have the access to connect both of the crypto.coms together. Then once it's done, you're gonna simply go back and have to simply open the particular app. You have to set up your account right over here. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead, open up your crypto.com app from over here. You're gonna go to settings of your account, and from among the menu you will find an option stating crypto.com DeFi Wallet, which will show you the side open your app store or Play Store. You simply have to tap on it and tap on open afterwards. Then it will simply direct you to the connecting page. Simply go ahead, tap on connect, and you are good to go. That is all it takes. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.